Our last day here in Taiwan and we're rushing towards the airport. We'll make it on time.
Taiwan again, okay?
Of course, again.
I love Taiwan.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
It's okay. So we made it to the airport. Barely. All hungover and such. You feeling like Burger King? Do you want Burger King? Chinese. Welcome to Korea! So we're in the cab heading to our Airbnb, which is located in Hongdae. And it just took us like 5 minutes to get into cab, so that was fast. Everyone else is here is catching a bus. The office up there. Officetel. And then there's a window on the side, so you got a view of the outside. There's a window here which is nice because you get fresh air in here, but it's kind of scary as well because you can jump off the ledge if anything. There's nothing protecting you. And this is Hongdae on a Saturday night. As you can see, there's a lot of people down there. So that's a lot of people down there. There's food carts, there's street stalls, and on the other side over there, as you can see, is probably the main shopping. There's a lot more stores like Etude House, more restaurants, probably clubs over there too. And this is where we live, on this side of the street. Ready, guys?
Yep.
How do you unlock this?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Oh, cool. So one side is the, I think that might be the even, and then the other side is the odd. Oh wait, wrong number. I pressed the wrong one. I think I pressed the wrong one. Damn it. Can't remember what was it. Okay, so it's this one there. You go down. I wonder if there's an aircon. No, it's nice security. Have you guys locked it yet? Or what? What are you guys doing? I don't know which one to press. This elevator takes so long. Who wants to go drinking?
Yeah, I suppose.
He's out. She's out.
Nah, I'm up.
I don't know, man. I don't mind. Like, we can drink a little bit and then we'll go back.
Saturday night though, like, we're only gonna have one weekend here. Like,
You're the one who's like, oh, I don't want to drink anymore. I don't want to drink
hey,
anymore.
did you drink as much as me? I don't think so. Okay?
I say that as long as you know.
You fucked her up as well. But how are you up for it? See, I'm still got last night's alcohol still in here, bro.
I thought like I would be like the type to, you know, drink. I thought I'd be the type to be like, oh no, I don't want to go out. I'll stay back at the hotel and you guys go drinking. But I did well. Yeah, I don't know if I'm dressed well for the.
Relax, bro. We're in after all for a week.
I mean, like, I feel like I'm not underdressed because it's so like not enough layers because it's so cold outside.
I'll be right.
It's like 8 degrees, but whatever. I'll go buy a jacket or something. It gets
I'm
cold.
wearing a t-shirt, a hoodie, and this fucking.
Yeah, but is it a long sleeve or a short sleeve?
Short sleeve t-shirt.
Yeah, well there you go, buddy.
Well, still hot, man.
like the biggest
Tourists. We are tourists though.
I am one. You are one. We are all one. Hello. Hello. Salut. Some Korean barbecues give you like I think plastic bag. You know what for? No, to put your coat in so it doesn't smell like barbecue.
Oh, really?
Oh. Good idea. This one?
This is barbecue. You want barbecue?
No,
I'm off for it.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
We'll go
Okay,
now.
let's squeeze in.
Okay, go.
Okay, let's start cooking.
Hey, what's that? Kimchi, yeah? Kimchi, yeah?
That one?
And then...
I feel bad for Jennifer.
How are we gonna fit all this? When they cook the pork belly, they change the grill, yeah? Ah, okay.
Sorry guys, being international, I'm pretty good.
You do that.
That's alright.
Good? Worth the ride? Worth the ride?
Yeah, pretty good, yeah.
Yeah?
Very nice.
It's very nice. The meat.
Yeah, I guess so.
No wonder why the celebrities feel like it here. Yeah, but look at all that celebrities being here. So this is our seat, and if you lift it up, you put your bag in there, and it's a tin. Chair. Okay, close it now. How you feel? How you feel?
I'm okay.
Let's go. Roll out, roll out, roll out. Let's go.
130, right?
I don't know. Yeah, 130, bro. We ordered a lot of meat though, so if you guys want to check this Korean barbecue out, this is the address, I guess. It's right next to Hongdae station, exit 1, I think. If you go up there, I think that's the main strip of the shops.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Ice cold.
Ice cold too.
Make my name Heisenberg.
Heisenberg? Heisenberg. What do you want to do now?
Oh, what? Sugar is tough.
Yeah, pretty cold.
Yeah, this is the shop.
Oh, so cold.
I'm alright. The only thing is cold in the kneecaps.
I reckon if I didn't drink, I'd be much colder than this.
Okay.
How much degrees is it?
7.
7? Wow. It's a 7, as you can see. Whew, so cold.
Even though it's colder than Shang, I think there's a Shang is more colder.
Yeah, because it's windy in Shang. When we say Shang, we meant Shanghai. If you didn't understand that. What is it? H&M. Where? Oh yeah, H&M. Oh, it's so damn cold. Forever 21's here. Oh, Forever 21. I know they can see it. Yeah, Forever 21.